Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply enable or disable the mature content in Valorant. So let's start. What you want to do is just press escape or go to settings. When you're in game, just press escape, but you can go to settings in menu. And when you're gonna do it, you want to be in general. And you're gonna see right here, show mature content. Globally enables or disable mature content, changing. It don't want to show. So what this means, guys, is that like you won't see any blood, you won't see any corpses, you don't see anything which is like you will see guns, you will see firing and everything, but this takes about blood and also corpses, that you don't see anyone die. And that's pretty much it. So again, you go to escape settings, and that's pretty much it. Have a great day, everybody, and yeah, goodbye.